Hi, this is Varun from Phone Arena. We're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S, the latest Android phone from Samsung, which is in fact sporting the new Super AMOLED display. So let's unbox the device. So here is the phone, pretty thin and pretty light as well, and we have AC charger, USB. We get manual and some brochures. You also get a nice leather pouch for the phone. So it doesn't block the camera, the speaker. This is the speaker right here. Here's a camera lens and here's the speaker. Let's check out the screen. It's pretty great, impressive, the screen. So we have a data cable and a pair of in-ear headphones. That's it. That was the Samsung Galaxy S unboxing on Phone Arena.